All right, so it is recording. I want to welcome you guys tonight to our presentation for Cellements, our opportunity presentation. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm going to go ahead and get rolling. Let's see if I can make my screen advance here. All right, so tonight we're going to talk about all of our products, and we're going to talk a little bit about the opportunity, and then towards the end we will have a little surprise for everybody. So if you guys are in the right place, we're going to start talking about the BioPocket concept. So I think by now everybody knows that 8 out of 10 diseases come from our own hands. You know, we're always touching our phone, we're always touching touch screens, we're always touching other people, and all of those germs are on our hands and they're spread all over. You touch your face, you touch your mouth, and you're just spreading all of those germs of everything that you've been touching. So, and you may or may not know that 7 out of 10 people bring their cell phone to the bathroom. Now, studies have shown that our cell phone is a dirty little monster, and it holds 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Now, I don't know about you guys, but 10 out of 10, or I think it's probably more like 10 out of 10 people. I think there's 3 people in that study that were lying, because I'm pretty sure everybody takes their cell phone with them when they go into the bathroom. So what are you going to do with this dirty little monster? Enter our head of research and development, Philip Williamson. He's a biochemist, and Philip is the head of research and development for Cellements. He's been studying and practicing bioscience for the last 15 years. He's been recognized for his innovation in green biotech products, and he is the developer of our first product, our flagship product, the BioPocket Screen and Hand Spray. So the thing that I love most about the BioPocket Screen and Hand Spray, well, there's 2 things I should say that I love about it. The first is it's easy to use. As you guys can see, it's a little tiny credit card size product, 225 sprays in there. But for me personally, the thing that really got me interested in this particular product and what it could do was because it was alcohol free. And it's safe to use on hands. It's also safe to use on any touchscreen devices. It won't screw up the anti-reflective coating on your very expensive iPhone. And it kills 99.9% of all germs and bacteria. So I'm gonna quick look down at my notes here, make sure I'm not missing anything important. Oh, and the other thing that I love about the Screen and Hand Spray is it cleans your glasses. So I wear my glasses usually getting to and from the bathroom, and they always seem to have, you know, in the morning and in the night, and I always seem to have all kinds of little grease and smudgies all over it. So I just do a quick little spray on my glasses, clean it up, and I'm good to go. So again, like I said, there's 225 metered sprays in that little pocket device. So you can use it to clean your hands and your phone and anything else that you come in contact with. So why is alcohol-free so important? Well, alcohol, as we know, is a solvent. It will damage your skin and your immune system. And then short-term, alcohol evaporates really fast. So if you've ever taken Purell or one of those alcohol-based hand sanitizers, you put it on your hands and you rub your hands, and you'll notice you've got that really quick, fast shot of instant cold. Well, as soon as that cold goes away, so has the effect of alcohol. So our product, because we have a unique biopolymer in the product that carries the ingredients, so not only do they not penetrate your skin and damage your immune system, that biopolymer also allows the active ingredients to remain on your hands for much, much, much longer. In fact, we have studies that show that it lasts for at least 4 to 6 hours. So it's kind of like you've got an invisible glove on. And then most importantly, The alcohol obviously is much better in a glass drinking than it is, you know, in the hand sanitizers. So there are some school systems I know that have gone away from hand sanitizers because kids are drinking them. So definitely not something that you want to be using. All right. So in addition to this great product that cleans your phone, we also have an app that you can download. It's great to use for sharing with people if you want to share with them information about this great product. You can send them a picture. They'll have to download the app and they clean their phone. There's also this cute little bug game for your kids, because obviously I think kids are more hands-on and tactile on the phones even than most adults are. So you spray the phone and they quick, fast play with touching and wiping away all of the germs. So definitely interactive, fun stuff there. All right, so not only do we have this great flagship product, which is our BioPocket Screen and Hand Spray, we also have additional products. So I'm gonna run through those extra products so you guys can learn all about those tonight too. So our second product that we have is our Sun Care Spray. That is an UVA UVB protection. It's instant dry. Again, 225 metered sprays, clinically tested like our BioPocket hand spray and all of our products. They're all clinically tested. They're all made in Sweden. You know, European Union products are so much more stringently tested before they're brought to market than anything that we have here in the US. So if you know it's been made in Sweden, you know it's going to be much better than anything that you can get around here. So again, we've got our SPF 30 sun care product. Toss it in your bag. When I go out for a walk with the dog, I toss it in his little leash pocket, you know, so I've got that on hand when I need it for long walks. And speaking of walking with the dog, the other thing that I always throw in my pocket when I go is our no mosquito spray. So if you've seen any of the warnings recently from the government, let's say you go to an airport, I see it every time I drive into the state of Ohio. When I leave Michigan and go into the state of Ohio, there's this great big billboard off the side of the road that says, protect yourself against ticks and mosquitoes, use insect repellent. Like, well, geez, you know, there it is, the government telling us that we need to use this product. So again, clinically tested, 225 sprays. It protects not only against mosquitoes, but it also protects against ticks and bed bugs. So all of those little nasty, creepy, crawly things that are lurking around the corner, just waiting to bite you, not when you spray yourself with the no mosquito spray. So you can see that anytime you leave your house, you might want to take all three of these products with you: your alcohol-free screen and hand spray, your sun care, and your no mosquito product. So for under $20, you can be protected against pretty much anything that might be lurking in the, you know, anywhere that you're going, whether it's the sun, the germs, or those killer mosquitoes that we all love to hate. These three products form what we call our Healthy Travel Pack. If you want to read more about our Healthy Travel Pack, you can go to Cellements.com, and one of our advisors, Dr. Michael Knudsen, has come up with this document called Advice for Healthy Traveling. Take a look at that. I can promise you that it's going to change the way that you look at traveling. So all three of those products together, super cool, could be enough to say, that's all, folks, but we've got a few more things up our sleeve. So one of my personal favorite products is the BioPocket Refresh. This is a, let's see, how do we say? Keeps your business when you go into the bathroom, if you know what I mean. Basically what it is a spray that sits on the surface of the toilet water. So when your business goes down below the level of the toilet water, anything under that level of the water that might stink stays underneath there. So nobody knows what you've been doing in there. It also does help clean the toilet too. So you don't have any of those things clinging around after you flush. You can walk out the door and nobody knows what you've just been doing in there. All right, so a product that's newer to us just in the last few months is our BioPocket Rest Spray. So this was the first product that we brought out that actually is a consumable product. So the rest of the things are meant to spray on your skin or on top of the toilet water or on your cell phone. This one in the mouth. So our BioPocket Rest Spray is an oral absorption product. It's got a system in it that allows it to be absorbed in your mouth and under your tongue. So I don't know if any of you guys know that one of the quickest ways to get anything into your system is under your tongue. So before you go to bed, maybe 15, 20 minutes before you're ready to sleep, squirt under your tongue. I do 3 sprays. I know some people do 4 or 5 sprays, but 15 to 20 minutes after I do that, I'm drifting off to sleep. It helps me relax and unwind and gives me a good night's rest. And it also doesn't give me that nasty, like a sleeping pill, or even sometimes if you take too much melatonin, you can get that nasty little hangover headache in the morning. This one is perfectly dosed. In addition to the melatonin, it has valerian root extract, passion flower root extract, also has vitamin B2, and then you can see down there, it's got a little bit of melatonin in it as well. So again, same thing like all of our great products, clinically tested, 225 metered sprays, plant-based. You can see right there, more sleep, less stress. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely interested in something like that. Another product that we have that just recently hit the market that's formulated, again, for oral consumption is our BioPocket Boost Spray. So we've got something for you to go to sleep at night, and we've got something to keep you awake during the day. I know a lot of people are addicted to caffeine and energy drinks and all those crazy things that you take to try and keep you awake. Well, in addition to being full of chemicals and all of that stuff, they also have a tendency to leave you with that, I don't know, that crash that comes a few hours after you've consumed your energy drink. So with this product, it's natural energy. You're not going to get that crash. Again, it's perfectly dosed. The active ingredient in it is our Dynamite, which is an extract from the mango leaf. And that product actually was just awarded one of the most innovative products to come to market, which is a great thing for Cellements. So we were really excited to win that award. So this is a great product, and it tastes really good too. So that's even better, because a lot of those energy drinks taste pretty nasty. And another product that I personally am a huge fan of, I am all about skincare, and I love our DNA Repair. This again is another new product that's only been out on the market for a few months. It is a spray product that has a cellular skin stimulation in it. The active ingredient in this product is an algae-based plant growth factor. So it combines the growth factor from the algae plant along with niacinamide and some hyaluronic acid and some other things that keep your skin hydrated and help with the aging, or help with anti-aging, I should say. It combines together, and you've got this really cool spray that, again, just a few sprays twice a day is gonna hopefully keep some of those lines and wrinkles away. All right, so we've got all of these great products, and by now you're probably wondering, how do I get these great things? So we ship all of our products from Estonia. They come 3 to 4 day express delivery from DHL. You can order in units of 8. You can also order in larger units as well. You can get you don't have to do an auto ship, but if you do decide to do an auto ship, you can set your auto ship for monthly, bi-monthly, every 4th month, every 8th month, whatever it is that works for you. But if you do decide to place an order as a customer, again, you will get your products in 3 to 4 days, which is, I think, super cool. So our products, obviously, because of their size, they're kind of cute, they're kind of attention grabbing, they're social products. So social products are shareable products. So a lot of you guys, when you got on here tonight, were probably thinking, yeah, the products are great, but I kind of heard that there's a little bit of a business opportunity involved in it too. So this is where we're going to talk a little bit about that. So you've got these social products, you use the spray. And last time I was on a plane, I used the spray, cleaned my hands and the area around me. And the guy next to me says, "What's that?" Like, "Oh, this is what's going to keep me protected. You want me to take care of you?" Sure. So this is how you build a global business in your pocket, is with these great little products that, again, are about the size of a credit card. So we promote our business through something called affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, this is pretty much in a nutshell how it works. The person that invited you here tonight sends you or another customer a link. You go to the link, you purchase your products, and the transaction goes back to the person that gave you the link. The person who referred you gets paid a commission on the sale, and you get your products. Kind of cool, kind of easy. Again, one more way that this business is super shareable. We do also have a really great compensation plan. It's available for download. You can go to cellements.com/opportunity. You can learn all about the compensation plan. It's a lot of stuff, but I will say it's a great plan. It's paid weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually. So pretty much you're always getting that little notification that says you've got money in your wallet, which is the most important thing. In addition to getting paid all of those times a month, we also have a virtual private office that comes with your business, your business basically that you're signing up for. It's $9.95 a month, but if you do have 120 points or more a month in personal volume, that $9.95 fee is waived. But for $10, you're getting everything that you need to run your office. You can manage your team, you can manage your auto ship, you can manage your orders, you can see who's reading, who's buying, who hasn't bought. It's a great little tool that you can really on the go check and see the health of your business. So like I mentioned earlier, Cellements is a global company. We ship out of Estonia. We are based in Sweden. That's where all of our research and development is done, and that's where all of the products are formulated. In addition to being in Sweden and Estonia, obviously we're here in the US. We've been open for not even a year, so there's a ton of opportunity here. We're also open in Finland, Denmark, Norway, I said Estonia, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Hungary, Romania, and Iceland. And I know that we have a few other countries that are kind of on the docket right now. We've got some girls that are really making it happen over in Canada right now. So there's a ton of opportunity. We're so new into this. You could not be at a better place in time with this opportunity than you are right here, right now. So speaking of people in the right place at the right time, this right here is our CEO and founder, Mr. Anders Karlsson. He's been in the direct sales industry for years. He's built successful teams in several other companies, so he knows what it takes to take a product, to market a product, and to be able to provide the support that me all of us are going to need as we grow this global business. So Andres is a great guy. I know some of you guys are planning on coming to town, to Detroit, I should say, on the 24th for our meeting. In addition to being able to meet Anders, shake his hand, you'll also be able to meet Philip. He's our biochemist that I talked about, who's head of our research and development. So you'll be able to meet Philip as well. So again, we talked about this, but our product is shareable. This is meant to be done. You can do it on social media, but it's also easy to share at meetings. It's easy to share online at webinars like we're doing right now. You've got the app that you can use. You've got text messages that you can send, emails. You can get our pocket brochure. One side of the brochure talks about the screen and hand spray. The other side of the brochure talks about the business plan. So it's super easy to do. You know, I don't know any other network marketing company where all 7 or 8 products that we have right now will fit pretty much in both my hands. I don't know anybody else that can do that. So for those of you, again, that are here tonight and are interested in getting started with the business, the easiest and the best way to come into this business is with our Globetrotter pack. You can see right here, it's $4.99. It'll give you a number of our top products to share, to sell, to use, to sample, to try out. You'll get 32 of our screen and hand spray, 16 each of our No Mosquito and our Sun Care. You'll get 8 of our Refresh, that lovely toilet water product I talked about, and also 8 of our Rest. In addition to that, and my favorite thing is the wipes that you get. You'll get 50 of the screen and hand spray, 50 of the Sun Care, and 50 of the No Mosquito. I personally love those wipes because I take those puppies and I staple them to my business card, and I have those things in my pocket, in my purse, wherever I go. I'm always sharing. And this way I don't have to worry about handing out a full-size screen and hand spray and wondering, you know, am I going to see it again or not? Because most people are going to try it. They're going to want to keep it. So I give them the wipes, let everybody try it. The business card has my link. They can go online, they can sign up, they can be a customer, they can sign up, they can be a part of the business. It's super, super easy. So with that, I'm gonna say thank you guys for your time tonight. If you have questions about the business, about the products, whether you wanna be a customer or you wanna be a part of this global business, go back to the person that referred you to this webinar tonight, and they can help you out. But I want to be well, probably not the first. We might let this guy that just popped up in the screen be the first one to say welcome to Cellements.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Natalie. Exceptional presentation. I mean, I didn't even think it would sound that good when we designed it.
Thank you.
We're coming with an updated version now at the next event, actually, because we're going to have some simplifications to the comp plan. It's going to be easier to get qualified for all these commissions. So I just in Detroit tonight, and I want to share you just a couple of ideas that we've seen how this business works in action. I spent 6 weeks this summer in Italy, and I had all the mosquitoes working for me down there. It was insane mosquito season. So I don't know how it's been up here in Michigan where I'm now, but those products are so easy to sell during the summer because you keep them in your pocket and you just use them, and people are going to ask you, what is that? Just as you said. So this concept was designed. Philip, the biochemist, he came and presented the product and the formula to me with a non-alcoholic hand sanitizer. Like most people, I was thinking that hand sanitizing is synonymous to alcohol, but he explained for me that you should not put alcohol on your hands because it's very harsh and it will dissolve not only the bacteria but also the skin moisture, which is an essential part of our immune system. So that all made sense to me when he explained it, but I asked him, so how can you prove this? That is that your formula is as good as alcohol? And he said, it's better. And he explained why. And one of the effects that we have is it does not evaporate. So it's water-based, and it will dry in and give you a prolonged immune system rather than just dissolving the bacteria instantly. That's also the reason how we could pass the norovirus test, killing the norovirus, the so-called winter bug that we got clinical documentation on. That was only 2 months ago. We got that study ready. And for example, that's a contact time of 5 minutes. Alcohol will not be able to pass that and cannot kill it because it evaporates too fast. So we have a healthier and superior technology than alcohol. Not talking about the environmental effect of how heavy it is for the nature, with all the trend talking about you should use environmentally friendly products. Not only that's good for us, but also for the nature. But you can imagine how much resources that are consumed to produce a liter of alcohol compared to our formula that's water-based. So I'm excited about sharing this opportunity at the global marketplace. We know that the United States is the best market in the world for direct selling, and where the longest history of direct selling, the biggest experience and leaders, and companies normally grow in the United States and then expand globally from here. So that's why I'm super excited being back here and ready to support. Nicolas is here with me, the global master distributor.
Hello, everyone.
He's helping me with the technical settings on the iPad here. Thank you. I wish you all a great start with the business after the summer. And if you're a guest, I would like to invite you personally to become a part of our movement. We call it Bio Entrepreneur business, where we help people to prevent from getting sick, which we think the future of medicine is prevention, not curing. So with that, thanks for me, and thank you for the invitation, Natalie. And I enjoy those presentations. They are weekly, so if you decide to start your business, you can invite your guests next week and get a professional presentation. This is so professional, it almost looks like a TV show to me. And the TV is actually in the background. So
That's right, it is.
for hosting the presentation tonight, and see you soon.
Thank you. See you guys. Have a good night.